So we have two tables, one is sales table and one is product table. So let's merge the sales table using the product key with the product table. Let's do that. Merge queries. Then we need product table. Here's the product key. Here's the product key. We need left outer join. So here we just need the product key, not even the product key. We need the product and the standard cost. Okay. Now we have these two columns. Now we don't need this table, but if we are going to delete this table now, it will give error in the sales table. So here is a quick trick for that. Let's go to the view advanced editor. This is the M code we have. Now we just copied that M code. Now in the sales table, we will again go to the advanced editor. Here you can see here is a sales table, then some steps that we have applied. Then after that, there is merge is happening. So now before the merge, we will add product table for which we have just copied the M language. Now let's arrange it properly. Now we have to do the comma. Then this merging is happening with respect to this product table. So now rather than using product here, we have to use product table. Done. We still have these product columns. Now we can delete this table. So here we have the columns that we required, and we don't have that product table also.